decimals are non-recurring, means they are not recurring. Understanding the meaning of non-recurring? Remember, which does not end at a point, it goes on and on. It does not end is called as non-terminating, means it does not terminate, it does not stop. But is non-recurring, means the numbers which are non-terminating, means going on, are not recurring. बार बार repeat नहीं हो रहा है, like 3 3 3 3 3 ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, अलग अलग numbers आ रहे हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Non-recurring, means they are not recurring. What are this? If both the conditions are fulfilled, then these numbers are called as irrational numbers. Rational numbers we have understood. What are the three properties? It should be in the form of p by q. First property, remembering, p is any integer including 0, whereas q is not including 0. They are including positive and negative, but q does not include 0, whereas p includes 0. So p by q satisfy हो रहा है अगर. Second is recurring, it is बार बार repeating, like 3 3 3 3 3 recur हो रहा है, like 6 1 2 5 6 1 2 5 6 1 2 5 6 1 2 5 बार बार repeat हो रहा है. Then the second condition, recurring, was also fulfilled. Non-terminating, which means it does not terminate. Terminating, which means it terminates, and non-terminating means it goes on recurring. So terminating should be there. If not terminating, then it should be recurring. बार बार repeat होना चाहिए. If both of these conditions are not fulfilled, then it is an irrational numbers. So understanding the meaning of irrational numbers, the opposite is rational numbers. In the second, we have written as square root of non-perfect square is always irrational. Means what? What is the meaning of non-perfect squares? Square root of non-perfect squares. Basically, you have studied in the first chapter what is a perfect square. Perfect square is whose square root is only one number, like 4's. 4 square root is 2. No point, no number. It is simply a 2. It is a whole number. So this is a perfect square. Another example is root 16. जिसका square root is 4. Only 4. No point, nothing. Second 25. Square root is 5. Another example 36. 6. 6 6 are 36. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So these numbers are called as perfect squares. 2 is a perfect square of root 4. 4 is a perfect square of root 16. 5 is a perfect square root of 25, and 6 is a perfect square of 36. So non-perfect square. What is this non-perfect square? Like यहाँ पे 4 है, 16 है, 25 है, 36 है. Root 2 included in that? No. So root 2 is a non-perfect square. उसका root निकालोगे तो इतना बड़ा आंसर आएगा, which is 1.4142135360930488016887242097. Look at these numbers. एक भी repeat हो रहा है, like obviously this will repeat, but goes on repeating, बार बार repeat हो रहा है. Look, there is no frequency, यानी कोई frequency नहीं है जैसे 4 नंबर repeated हो रहे हैं बार बार. देखो सब numbers अलग अलग है. So is there any repetition? No. And this point, what it suggests? ... It is non-terminating, मतलब infinity तक जा रहा है. So first condition, which is non-terminating, terminate नहीं हो रहा है. First condition is fulfilled. It is a non-terminating number. Second, non-recurring. Is there any recursion? No. So second condition is also fulfilled. Means what is this? This is an irrational number. Second, root 3. Root 4 है, root 16 है, root 25 है. Root 3 is there? No, root 3 is not there. Why? Because it is not a perfect square. Perfect square is only 5, 4, 16, 25 and 36. So this is also not included. What is the root of this? 1.7320. 73205080756887729527446341 5059. Is there any repetition? कुछ एक frequency follow कर रही है क्या कि 5 नंबर के बाद repeat हो रहा है, 6 नंबर के बाद repeat हो रहा है, 7 नंबर नहीं, बिल्कुल अलग numbers है. They are totally different from each other. So what does this represent? This is also an irrational number. The third is root 10. Root 10 is also not included in this. So what is root 10? It is 3.62277763016835444327. This is also not recurring. Any कोई frequency नहीं. बीच में you will see that 3 is repeating, 9 is repeating, 8 is repeating. But continuous repetition है क्या? Do you see again and again 9, 8, 4? No. बीच में it is repeating. So this cannot be called as recurring. What does recurring means? Similar number like 625. ये तीन नंबर बार एक ही लाइन से आ रहे हैं. 625. It is not 256 ऐसा कुछ. It is only repeating a single number like 625. Is there any similar kind of thing over here? No, it is not. And the end, this dot or this represent this goes on till infinity. First condition, non-terminating is fulfilled. Second condition, non-recurring means it does not show any repetition, any category of repetition, any three bunch of numbers of repetition. Does it show? No. So this is also what? Irrational number. This fourth one is root 83. In this number, the square root of this number is 9.1104335791442988194626104887. And this, look at this is very important. As there is a dot, this represent is goes on till infinity and it is the non-terminating number. This non-terminating number is always seen by this dot, which represent it does not end over here. It goes on till infinity. This ये property ये first condition check करने का एक ही तरीका है to say this dot. The second condition can be seen that there is a certain pattern or what, like 625 बार repeat हो रहा है कि नहीं. No, look at these numbers. Not a single number has a pattern like 8 बार repeat हो रहा है. All these numbers are totally different. So what is this four examples? What are this? These are irrational numbers. What are rational numbers basically? Rational numbers are those which terminates. अगर terminate हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छा है. अगर terminate नहीं हो रहा है like non-terminating है, it goes on till infinity, तो देखना है कि वो repeat हो रहा है कि नहीं. अगर repeat हो रहा है then too it is a rational number. But अगर repeat नहीं हो रहा है तो then what it is irrational number. There is a simple flow chart or steps to see to understand the whole concept. The measure part is the real number. It includes what? Rational and irrational numbers. Now we will understand how to understand which number is a rational and which one is an irrational number. To identify, there are three steps. First step, you have to check that there is no zero in the denominator. In PQ form, there should be no zero in the denominator. In the P, it can be zero, but there should not be zero in the denominator. This is the first step. If there is a zero, then it is neither a rational nor an irrational number. It is out of the concept only. Second one is it terminating? The number terminates after a certain limit, like 0.658. बस इतना ही है. So it terminates at 8. If the answer is yes, like this number, then it is a rational number, directly rational number. You don't have to follow the third step. It is directly a rational number. This number or else 0.2168, anything you take, 34.82, any number which terminates at a certain limit is a rational number. If in this question is the terminating number is no, means it does not terminate, like goes on 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9 and so on. If the number is like this, it does not end, it is not terminating. If the answer is no, means it does not stop at a certain limit, then we have to see this third step. In the third step, we should ask a question: is it a recurring one? In this amount, in this number, is there any repetition, a certain repetition? ऐसा कुछ है क्या? 823 repeat हो रहा है? नहीं, the numbers are totally different. So what is this? This is not recurring. So this is an irrational number. If the answer is yes, then it is a rational number. For example, 0.33333 bar. What does this represent? 3 goes on till infinity. So the answer is yes, and it is a rational number. Another example you can take is 0.538 and a bar above it. What does this mean? This 538 goes on till infinity. It is a recurring one. Another way of representation is 0.777 and dot 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 dot. This 7 goes on till infinity. So what is this? This is also a recurring one. So if recurring is there, then if the recurring wala question ka answer is yes, then it is a rational number. And if no, then it's an irrational number. So is this whole topic clear?
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally, and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
In exercise number 9, we have to classify the given numbers into 2 groups. Tell me which 2 groups? Yes, it is a rational number and irrational number, which we have studied. Now, to classify this, we have to write the 2 groups are irrational and the rational number. So, let us see question number 1. What is this question number 1? 4.912 and there is a bar above it. What does this bar represent? Yes, this number is going on till infinity. It is recurring one. So we have studied recurring. If the answer of the question is that recurring is yes, then what it is? Yes, it is a rational number. So the first question, which is 4.912, is a rational number. Second question is 0.3104563 and this dot 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 dot. What does this mean? This is non-terminating. Non-terminating. The answer of the question 2 is what? Is it terminating? No, it is not terminating. If the answer is no, what we have to do? Follow the third step. What is the third step? Is there any repetition or recursion? No, this number is not at all recurring. So what is this? It is an irrational number. So the second question, which is 0.31045,693, is an irrational number because it is not repeating and it is not terminating also. It is going on till infinity. The third question is root 12. Understanding the second property, is it a perfect square? No, perfect square includes what? 4, 60, 25, 36, 49 and so on. Is 12 in that? No, 16 is there. After 4 what it is? 9 and 16. So is 12 included in that? No. What is 12? 12 is an irrational number because square root of it goes in point and which is not recurring. The fourth question is root 49. What is the square root of root 49? It is 7. So it is a perfect square. So what? Perfect square are what? They are rational numbers. So root 49 is a rational number. The fifth question, it is 10.05 and a bar above it. Bar. Can you see what is this? What does this bar represent? This represents that this 05 repeats. The answer, this number will be similar to this 05, 05, 05 and so on. This 05 goes on till infinity. So this is a repetition. This repetition is shown by a bar. So what is this number? This is a rational number because there is a repetition. Though it is not terminating, the third step's question answer comes to yes. Means it is a repetitive number, recurring number. So all recurring numbers are what? Rational numbers. So this will be included in rational numbers. So this 10.05 and a bar above it. Now this sixth question is very interesting question. It is 0.10, 100, 1000, 1 and goes on. Looking a broad look the way, so it will look like it is repeating because 101010 is repeating. But look, there is only one 0 I said 0 has no value after point, but when a number is followed by it, it gains a value. So this is 10, this is 100. So the number differs. These are totally different. You cannot tell that it is recurring. It is not at all recurring because this is 10, this is 100. How can you say if I give you 10 rupees and if I give you 100 rupees, how can you say this both has same value? No, it does not. And the second one, the third one is 1000. If I say, nahi 1000 ke badle 10 rupees rakh lo, it is sensible. No, because these three numbers are totally different. If this question would have been like this 1 0 1 0 1 0 and so on, then I can say it is repeating because the number 10 is repeating. Over here the first number is 10. Can you see the first number which is 10? The second number is 100. The third number is 1000 and the next number is 1 dot 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 dot, which means this is non-terminating as well as non-recurring. I explained you the meaning of recurring. The 10 goes on repeating over here, but there is no perfect number which is repeating. So what is this? Yes, this is an irrational number which comes over here. 0.10, 100 and 1000 and 1 dot 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 dot. So understood this exercise? In exercise number 10, we will classify which numbers are real, rational and irrational numbers. But before that, we should understand what is real number. Real number is a bundle of rational and irrational number. Means all rational numbers are first real numbers, then rational numbers, because this both categories are included in this. So every rational number is a real number and every irrational number is also a real number. But we cannot say that every real number is a rational number or every real number is irrational numbers. Means basically this is a mother, these are parents and these are two children of these numbers. So these are smaller, whereas this is a broader concept. So now understanding this first question, what it is, 1.57 and a bar above it. What does this bar represent? It is a recurring. Whereas I have already told you, this is a father, it includes all the numbers. So it is a real number first of all. Then we will see whether it is a rational number or irrational number. Mind it, a number cannot be rational and irrational simultaneously. It can be only one. Means either rational or irrational. दोनों में नहीं हो सकता है, कोई तो एक होगा. So what is this? 1.557 and a bar above it. What does this bar represent? It is non-terminating. मतलब infinity तक it is going. It is not stopping anywhere. But the bar represents these two numbers are always repeating. So what it is? Yes, it is a rational number and not an irrational number. Why? Because we have already learned the property that if it is a terminating, then it is a rational number. But if it is non-terminating, then we should check it is recurring or not. So here it is recurring. 57 is recurring. Mind the word recurring. If it is recurring, that is why it is a rational number. Second, root 5. We have already learned that the perfect squares are rational numbers. All other numbers are what? Irrational numbers. What are perfect squares? 4, 16. 4, 16. Direct 4 ke baad 16 is coming. Is there any 5? No, 5 is not there. Means 5 is not, root 5 is not a rational number. It is that then what will it be? It is an irrational number. First of all, the father to hoga hi na, so it is a real number. Rational number, no, because if here 4 or 16, 4, 16, 25, 36, 45, जिनका perfect square है, like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it will be a rational number. But 5 का कोई perfect square नहीं है. That's why what it will be? It will be a irrational number. The second number is 4.10547194. This means, what does this dot 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 means? It is non-terminating. It does not end over here. It goes on till infinity. But is so the question of step number second ka answer is no. Means it is not terminating. No. So the third step. What is the third step? Is it repeating or recurring? No. No number is recurring. So what it is? No. So when both the steps answer, second step and third step answer is no, what will be the final answer? It will be an irrational number. So it is an irrational number. But to be an irrational number, first it has to be what? Real number. So it is first a real number, then an irrational number. Mind, irrational number and rational number cannot occur simultaneously. This cannot be rational and irrational both. So it has to be rational number. No, it is not a rational number. The fourth question is 4.8. What is there any bar or dot 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 dot? No. Means what? It ends at 8. So it is what? Terminating. What is terminating? Terminating numbers are what? Rational numbers. So first it has to be real number. It is terminating at 8, means it is stopping at 8. So there is no question of recurring or non-recurring. But because the first question, step number second answer is what? Yes, it is a terminating one. So when the answer is yes, it will be always a rational number. So this is a rational number and not an irrational number. The fifth question is 0.735 and a bar above it. What does the bar represent? It is a non-terminating. खत्म नहीं हो रहा है 5 पे. It is going on till infinity. But this three numbers 735 are repeating. So what? The third step's answer is what? Yes, it is repeating. But step number 2 answer is what? It is non-terminating. So if this is recurring, so what it will be? It will be a rational number. First of all, it has to be what? Real number. Then it can be classified as rational or irrational. So it is a real number and a rational number. So irrational number, कोई चांस ही नहीं बचता है, वो तो होगा ही नहीं, दोनों साथ में हो नहीं सकते. So this has to be no. The third is 25, root 25. Repeat perfect square, square root आ गया तो we have to see the whether it is a perfect square or not. Which are our perfect squares? It is 4, 16, 25. What I said? 25. Is it included? Yes. So what it is? It is a rational number. Perfect square होगा तो what it will be? It will be a rational number. So it is a rational number. To be a rational number, what it has to be? It has to be a real number. So irrational number, it can't be a irrational number. The seventh question is root 10. Perfect squares again. It is 4, 16. 4, 16. Is there any 10? No, 10 is not included. So first of all, this is a real number and not a rational number because 4 and 16 are rational numbers. This is what? This is 10, which is not included in perfect squares. So this is what ultimately a irrational number. The eighth one is root 196. Is root 196 has a perfect square? Yes, it has. It is 30. So what will happen? It will be a rational number because it has a perfect square. To be a rational number, it has to be a real number. Ultimately, this will be no. Irrational. It is not an irrational number. It is a rational number and a real number because it has a perfect square. The ninth question over here. What it is? 3.819023 and this dot 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 dot. What does this dot 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 represent? It represents it is a non-terminating. यहाँ खत्म नहीं होता है. It goes on till infinity. Infinity तक तो जा रहा है, but means the second question answer is no. It is not a terminating number. So third step में हमें क्या देखना है? Is it recurring? See this number 819023. Is any number recurring? No. The answer is no. So what it will be? It will be an irrational number. So it is an irrational number. To be an irrational number, it has to be first real number. Ultimately, there is no option for this. It has to be no. The 10th question. It is 6.1020340 and dot 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 dot. It means the second step answer, is it terminating? The answer is no because this dot 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 represent it goes on till infinity. So then after the second step answer is no, we have to look for the third step. What is the third step? The third step is it recurring? So look at these numbers 1020340. Is there any number recurring? The answer is no. This is totally unique number, different numbers. So this number is what? This is a irrational number because there is no recurring. To be an irrational number, it has to be first what? Real number. Ultimately, this option is only closed because it is an irrational number. So understood this? Mind children. Real number, all numbers are real. So there is always a tick. Then look at this. Once a number is irrational or rational, the other option is closed. Here it is rational, so irrational, it cannot be irrational. Here it is irrational, so it cannot be rational. Here it is also it is irrational, so it cannot be rational. Here it is rational, so it is not a irrational. Here also rational, so here not a irrational number. Similarly, like this, only one. A number can be either rational or irrational. It cannot be both. So we have to first check is terminating one. Is it terminating or not? If it is terminating, it will be a rational number. If it is not terminating, then third step, which is it recurring or not? If it is recurring, a frequency has 6.25, 6.25, 6.25, like this, that is recurring, then what will be? It will be a rational number. If it is not at all recurring, it is a unique number, it is a different number, then it will be irrational number. So we have completed with our chapter with this last exercise.